Welcome to AGR Organics. Today I'm going to show you how to save your food for everyday use. When you buy your food from the store, you cannot use them all at once. Okay, like apple, the kiwi, the apricot. Okay, you have to leave them on your counter. But the blueberry, the raspberry, the strawberry, and the cashew apple, you have to keep them in the fridge. But for how long? They will be spoiled anyway, because sometimes you said you're going to do a smoothie every day. You don't. Okay, so that will be a waste of money. So what I do, I wash them. So they are washed already. I make sure the water is out of them. Seal them in a bag. Then freeze. So let's get started. I'm going to show you what I do. Okay, I separate them by portion. You see, equal portion. And I put them in the bag. And I'm starting seal. Here is my food. I vacuum seal them. Okay. Especially apricot and cashew. They are really good for you. Okay, they have iron, copper, vitamin A, lutein for your eyes, you know. It's really, really good. So they are not all year round. So when I pass and find them, I will buy. I will buy the cashew when I have a lot from my tree. I will wash them, cut them, vacuum seal them. So me, I will get them a year round. Here's for my ice cream. Okay, I put the little one for ice cream. This is soursop. Okay, I mix it with the apricot, strawberry, blueberry. You know, it's at night. Sometimes you want to have a little sweet, so you will mix it. I will mix it with yogurt. You know, put a little honey. That's it. The soursop, you know, is very expensive, perishable. So what I do, I took the skin out, the seeds out, and then so I can leave them in the bag, vacuum seal them so they can stay fresh. Because I don't have a tree. But my nephew, I don't know how many trees he has because he's selling them. So sometimes he live all the way, like maybe 2 hours from me. He will pass by and let me know that he's coming and bring me like 1 or 2. So I will just take them and make sure I vacuum seal them. So if sometimes friends is coming around, I will make a little ice cream or I will make a smoothie with them, you know. So that's it. If you like my video, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.